Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are aware who our 2025 champion is, and that is none other than Truphena Muthoni. Welcome back. My name is Queens Migogo. Now, Truphena Muthoni hugged a tree non-stop for 72 hours, breaking her own record set in February 2025 and earning praise for Kenyans. During the challenge, the 22-year-old revealed that she wasn't allowed to eat, drink or take bathroom breaks. Many online questioned whether it was humanly possible to go without bathroom breaks for such a long period, and she has explained how she managed to do it. Truphena debunked some of the rumors and shared how she managed to achieve her challenge. And here I quote, "No, I did not pee on myself, and I did not go to the toilet for those 3 days. I was also not wearing diapers." End of quote.